Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I will show you how to take inputs from a user and print out outputs and results on the screen through the console window. Let's get started. In this lesson, to take an input from a user in the Java programming language, we are gonna use the scanner class. Java provides different ways to get input from the user. However, in this lesson, I will show you how to get input from a user by using the object of scanner class, and you must import it first by using the import keyword or the import statement followed by java.util.scanner. And after importing this package by using the import keyword, you can use it after that without any complication. We need to create an object of the scanner class after that to use it to take an input from a user. First of all, create an object of scanner. You need to create an object of scanner class to take an input from the user, exactly as you can see. Scanner, the scanner keyword followed by the object name, and it is called in this case new obj, and you can call it any name you wish. Follow the rules for naming variables here to call this variable or this object, and the new keyword followed by scanner system.in. After that, type string name. We want to get string input from the user, so the string keyword here followed by the variable name, in this case name, to get the user name. Now we want to print out message before taking input from a user, so use the println method to do that. Type your name by using the println method, exactly as you can see. This is a string, then name is equal to new obj.next line. What is this method? What is the next line method? This is a Java built-in method of Java scanner class. This is from the Java scanner class, and it is used to get the input string that was skipped of the scanner object. This is so easy and so simple. For our string variable called name, assign new obj.nextLine to it. The program will show this message: type your name, the string, before taking an input from the user. Now let's use the println method again to display the final result, to print out the result that will be inserted by the user. Single line comment here, printing the result, and after that use the println method to display string plus the value of the name variable. Your name is plus name. Now if you want to execute this program, hit the run button to compile and run it, and you will see the output in the console window, and you can insert any name you wish and hit enter, and you will get your name is message plus the name that will be inserted. Click the run button and you can see the output in the console. Type your name Ahmad, hit enter, you can see your name is Ahmad, and you can compile and run this program again, and you can insert another name, any name you wish, and you will get this message: your name is plus the name. Let's try another one. Let's take two inputs from the user. We are gonna take string input and an integer input from the user. This is our example here. We have a message, and this message is type your name and your number by using the println method. And after that, you can see to take string input from a user, we use the next line method. And after that, to take an integer number or to take an integer input from the user, we use the nextInt method. Type the object name for the scanner class followed by the dot notation followed by the nextInt method, and don't forget to place double round braces after the name of the method directly, empty parentheses and semicolon at the end of the statement. And you can take a look at the println method at the end of this program. You can see your name is plus the value of the name entered variable for the string input plus, and your number is plus the value of the num entered variable, this integer or this numerical integer input from the user. Now let's compile and run this program to show the output in the console window. Click the run button and you will see this message in the console window. Type your name and your number. Ahmed, this is the value of the name entered, and the value of the num entered is 11 in this case, and you can insert any values you wish. You can see the final message or the final result in this example is your name is plus the value of name, which is Ahmed in this case, and your number is plus the value of the num entered variable, which is 11 in this example. And you can compile and execute it again and again with different values. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next lesson.